Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Tech Tutorial. Today for this video I will be showing you how you can download and install Pinterest application. So for that, first of all, you open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you are using a iOS device, you need to tap upon the App Store in your device. On the App Store, you need to tap on search and type in the Pinterest app, and from there you will be able to download the application. So once you open the Google Play Store, you tap on the search bar and there you type in Pinterest and then tap on search. You can see the search result for the Pinterest on the top. Now you tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. Pinterest is very popular for sharing ideas through pins, boards. The Pinterest application has been fully downloaded. Now you tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Pinterest application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech Tutorial. Thank you.